Welcome to the brand new 2025 Cadillac CT5 Sport in Summit White. This car is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the CT5, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, 33-inch touchscreen that integrates your gauge cluster, heads-up display controls, and also has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation. Heads-up display I just mentioned. Push to start ignition. Dual-zone climate control. Below that we have a wireless charging pad. In the center console you can find your shifter, audio, and navigation controls with AKG audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the CT5, starting off with the 19-inch wheels paired up with Michelin Primacy Tour tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles with LED strips, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, monochromatic Cadillac badges on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, Cadillac badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this car is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Black trim all around the windows. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights, trunk-mounted spoiler. CT5 all-wheel drive Cadillac and 350T badging can also be found here on the trunk, and the twin chrome-tipped exhaust. Heading back inside the CT5, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible in a 60-40 split, allowing plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down here in the middle. AKG audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have a single cigarette lighter outlet and one USB-C charging port. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 Cadillac CT5 Sport. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.